Hi, I'm Carl and welcome to Bear Creek Woodworking. In a previous video I showed you my tool cabinet that I recently built. In that video I told you that I was going to make some doors for the cabinet to kind of hide some of the tools. I think it makes it a little bit more attractive with doors on it. I did like it without the doors, and I kind of thought about leaving it that way for a moment, but then I thought no, I really would like to have the doors on it because it does make it look a little bit more appealing, I think, anyhow. I could have used hinged doors, but that was just kind of a little bit boring, I guess. I just wanted something a little bit different. So I went with barn doors, sliding barn doors. And I wanted something a little bit unique, so I went with this pattern on them. So, opens and closes really nice. And I'd like to show you how I made these doors. So I'm really happy with the look and the function of these barn doors on my tool cabinet. As a matter of fact, I'm very happy with the total appearance of my tool cabinet and also the functionality of my tool cabinet. If you remember back in my tool cabinet video, I described how I measured each compartment for special tools. So it's custom made for my tools and my needs. And that's what makes this, as I said back in that video, my dream tool cabinet. Now I put these doors on it, it makes it look even more attractive, very functional. I just like the general looks of it. I'll step away for a second. Yeah, I just think it makes my shop really look really good, and it's very functional. It keeps my tools off the workbench in someplace stored nicely. The tools are safe. I can say the workbench is cleared off so I can do my work. I'm just very, very happy with it. I've already had some compliments from my family about how nice it looks, and also some nice compliments on Instagram on how nice it looks, so I appreciate that. So, I guess that's all for today. So until next time, have a great day.